Have you ever found yourself saying, I should be happy, but something is missing? Maybe you are succeeding in your career, but you feel disconnected at home. Maybe you are focusing on your friendship, but you neglect your health. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The truth is, fulfillment is not about doing more. It's about finding the right balance between all the areas in your life. Today, I'm going to show you how to uncover what's really missing in your life using a simple but powerful tool, the Wheel of Life. You will find it linked below, and you can do this self assessment now. Is the perfect time now that we will go into the new year. Don't waste another day. Shine light on what is missing in your life, and then you will have the opportunity to do something about it. When I first tried this a few years ago, I was shocked. I had a great career, a great relationship, but deep down I felt miserable and I was not sure why. But I was able to shine light on the aspects of my life that I was deeply sad about with the help of this tool, the Wheel of Life. And I was able to see on paper what was not in alignment. That's when I started prioritizing balance, a little bit for my health, a little bit for fun, a little bit for my career, a little bit for a relationship. Everything changed. I started living intentionally, living in alignment, not just reacting to life. The Wheel of Life is a self assessment tool. You can find different versions on the internet. I made it in Excel. So you can use this tool, download it from the link below, or feel free to just write in your notebook and draw your Wheel of Life. You are more than welcome. And I will share my screen in a bit and I will show you the different sections and how to work with the file. Let me show you the different areas from the Wheel of Life. I have a slideshow here. So the first one is my favorite, one that I have been neglecting a lot. Spoiler alert. It's fun and livelihood, exactly like this sunflower. So here you would include anything that brings you fun, that makes you feel alive, that makes you feel like a little child, either vacations, play, going out with friends, lifestyle. So anything that is fun and makes you feel like a child. The next section is fitness and health, body wellness. So, how happy are you with your health and with the way your body looks and with the way you feel inside of your body? The third section is family and friends, relationship, society. I place them in the same category. Also, feel free to adjust the file that you can download here. You will have the link below. It's completely editable. So you feel free to change the sections if they make more sense to you. For me, I have together all the relationships, family and friends, society, community, human interaction. Next, we have finance and careers, material possessions. How happy are you with your job? Are you financially safe? Are you happy with everything that you possess? That's another aspect here. Next, we have flourishment and learning, creativity, education. This is super important for everyone to always learn something new. I believe that if we stop learning, then we will go in the other direction. How happy are you with this section of your life, with your education, with your creativity? And the last section, which is my favorite, I said that the first one is, but actually all of them are, is faith and essence, inner self, intuition, spirituality, religion. It doesn't matter if you believe in God, the universe, higher self, any religion that you have, if you believe in your intuition, your essence, How happy are you with this area of your life? Now let's dive in into the self-assessment file. It's an Excel file. You will take a copy and add your own information. Take 10 minutes to reflect on the areas of your life without judgment. It's not about judging ourselves or reaching for perfection. Life isn't about perfection, it's about bringing to light the areas that we are not happy with, the areas we are happy with, the areas we are grateful for, and work on aligning our actions and our life to things that make us feel fulfilled, to the areas of our life that really matter. Here we have the 6 different sections of our lives. Feel free to edit if you would like to switch things up. And then the first thing you will need to answer is how happy are you? So you will rate yourself from 1 to 10. So let's take as example me 2 years ago. Fun and livelihood. I was a 3. Yeah, I didn't have fun at all. The next question will ask you to reflect a little bit. What do you like about this area of your life? Even if you have given it a low score, there are things you are doing right and there are things you are happy about. So reflect on that. For me, I was still having vacations back then, so there was a little bit, that's why it's not 0 here. And then what is not working? What do you dislike or feel negatively about? For me, it was that I was only going on vacation twice a year. And the last question, what would the ideal version of this area look like? Write a short statement to describe what a score of 10 would look like. How would you like to feel? Let's correct this. So I would like to have fun 3 times a week. Yeah. And I would like to feel happy and have fun every day a little bit. So you choose a statement that works for you. And then you proceed to the next areas. So let's continue with the example of my own life a few years ago, fitness and health. That was also 3. So yeah, I was not working out and my health was not great. Then family and friends, relationship, society, give it a 9. So happy with my relationship. Financing, career, 9. Creativity and education, let's say 7. I wasn't actively learning new things from my own initiative, although I was learning in the context of my work. I was doing some training, but not for my own pleasure. And then faith and essence, inner self intuition, 8 back then. So, and after you have added all your ratings here, then you go here and then you will see your wheel of life automatically showing. If you have Excel, it will show like this. So you can definitely see the areas that are working, financing, career, family, and friends, and the areas that were not so great, fun and livelihood, fitness, and health. I was constantly feeling like I didn't have any energy. So the idea here is not for every area to be a 9. The idea is to have a wheel that is spinning, have a similar rating in each area. So we have harmony and balance in our lives. So if you have done this, congratulations. Now you have shine light on the areas of your life that you can focus on if you choose to. So the next step, I also wrote it down here, phase 1 will be to answer 3 questions. 1, which category feels the most urgent to improve? Choose one. So for me, it was both fun and livelihood, fitness and health. I want to focus on fun. Yeah. What is one small action I can make this week? So this week I can go with my friends for a hike. Yeah. This is something I can do. And then how can I sustain this change over time? It is important not to do it once. We are not what we do once, we are what we consistently do. So, here the invitation is to create sustainable habits. So, maybe I can go for a hike once every 2 weeks and join a hiking club. And then for phase two, this is the advanced level. I am leaving it here for you. So the green area will be a subject for another video, but I am giving you this as a gift, a New Year's gift for free for you to make your self assessment. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You have here all the details. And you got this. We cannot change what we are not aware of. Remember, fulfillment is not an overnight thing. It's a journey of progress and realignment. And this tool is here to help you, not judge you. It's my gift, my Christmas gift, my New Year gift to you. Feel free to use it, assess yourself, shine light on the areas you are not happy with, but also on the ones that you are happy with and you are grateful for. Fulfillment isn't about perfection, it's about balance. Remember the wise words of Albert Einstein, another quote from Albert Einstein. I just love the things he said. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep balance, you keep moving. This is so profound. Topic for another video. This is just the beginning of your journey. Take a moment to reflect on your wheel of life. Take 10 minutes, a warm cup of tea, coffee. Don't let another day slip by without aligning your life with what truly fulfills you. Let me know in the comments down below what's one area of your life that you are ready to focus on. I would love to hear from you. Sending you love and the biggest hug. And I can't wait to see you next time. Bye. And they started the construction work.